Have you ever wondered why there is no milk in the can? I mean, there are cans of beans, corn, tomatoes, tuna, and even chicken. But when you look for milk in the canned food aisle, you find something else: evaporated milk or condensed milk. What are these products, and how are they different from regular milk? Hello and welcome to Curiosity, where we explore fascinating and interesting topics about everything. Today we are going to talk about canned milk, and why it's not the same as fresh milk. Evaporated milk and condensed milk are both forms of canned milk that have been processed to remove most of the water content. This makes them shelf-stable and convenient to store and use. However, they have different characteristics and purposes. Evaporated milk is unsweetened milk that has been heated until about 60% of the water has evaporated. The result is a thick, creamy liquid that has a slightly caramelized flavor and a light tan color. Evaporated milk can be reconstituted with an equal amount of water to make a substitute for fresh milk. Or it can be used as it is to add richness and body to sauces, soups, casseroles, desserts, and beverages. Condensed milk is sweetened milk that has been cooked until about 40% of the water has evaporated. The sugar added to the milk prevents it from spoiling and gives it a very thick, sticky consistency and a sweet flavor. Condensed milk is mainly used for making desserts, such as pies, cakes, fudge, caramel, and dulce de leche. Both evaporated milk and condensed milk have a long history of being used as alternatives to fresh milk, especially in times and places where refrigeration was not available or reliable. They were invented in the 19th century by different inventors who wanted to find a way to preserve milk and make it more accessible to people. One of the earliest inventors of canned milk was Gale Borden, an American who patented his process of condensing milk in 1856. He was inspired by his experience of seeing children die from drinking contaminated milk during a transatlantic voyage. He wanted to create a safe and nutritious product that could be transported easily and stored for a long time. His condensed milk became popular during the Civil War, when it was supplied to soldiers as a source of energy and calcium. Another inventor of canned milk was John Meyerberg, a Swiss who developed his method of evaporating milk in 1883. He worked for a company that produced condensed milk, but he was dissatisfied with the sweetness and heaviness of the product. He wanted to create a more natural and versatile product that could be used for cooking and drinking. He experimented with removing water from milk by heating it under vacuum, which reduced the caramelization and browning of the milk. His evaporated milk was also well received by consumers, especially during World War I, when fresh milk was scarce. Today, canned milk is still widely used around the world for various culinary purposes. It can add creaminess, flavor, and nutrition to many dishes and drinks. It can also be handy in emergencies or when fresh milk is not available or affordable. However, canned milk is not exactly the same as fresh milk. It has a different taste, texture, color, and composition. It also has a different shelf life and storage requirements. Canned milk can last for months or even years if unopened and stored in a cool and dry place. But once opened, it needs to be refrigerated and used within a few days. So, next time you see a can of evaporated or condensed milk in your pantry or supermarket, you'll know what it is and how it came to be. And maybe you'll also appreciate the convenience and versatility of this product that has been around for over a century. That's all for today's episode. Thank you for watching Curiosity. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more content like this. And don't forget to share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious.